Hey guys, let's have some fun and clear it all. What is the difference between hue, tint, shade and tone? Hue is the pure color. Tint is the color plus white. And oopsie, I put too much white, but just bear with me here. So I'm making tints right now, mixing the primary colors with white, and of course they will get lighter. Clear your brush every time you're mixing different colors. Now I'm gonna make shades. Color plus black. Yellow turns into a greenish color because there's so much blue in the black in the first place, and red will make a very dark reddish color. And I'm going to clean the brush and I will mix blue and black, and I'm going to make some tones, but first I need to make gray because tones are made by combining color and gray. Gray is made by mixing white and black, and you can make different shades of gray, lighter and darker. Let's make some tones now. Color plus gray. Here is my grays, and then I'm gonna add the yellow plus gray. It gives us again some greenish gray tone because of the blue in the black. And I cleaned the brush and I'm making a tone of red, which is a dull reddish color. Blue and gray produces a very dull bluish gray color. And this is how we make hues, tints, shades and tones. Have fun mixing!